Hello everyone, welcome to my Bengali Learning Zone YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today we will learn Bengali numbers. Usually in learning numbers, we learn from 1 to 100. Similarly, we will also learn Bengali numbers from 1 to 100. It is not possible to learn numbers to 1 to 100 through one video. That's why I will divide the numbers into 5 parts and present them to you. Today is the first part of learning Bengali numbers. In today's part, we will learn Bengali numbers from 1 to 20. So let's get started. Here are the English numbers and here are the Bengali numbers, and here are the pronunciation of the Bengali numbers. At first I will read English numbers, then I will read Bengali numbers together. So let's start. 1 ek 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. I'm repeating again. 1 ek 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. Now next page. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20. I'm repeating again. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20. Now I am only repeating Bengali numbers from 1 to 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So I hope you have enjoyed my videos. If you like my videos, then don't forget to follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone.